Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your booking on booking.com. So here when I go to my bookings, you will see a booking that I have booked. So if I want to cancel it, I will need to click on it and then it will open up the details of the booking. So here when I scroll down, you will see a cancel booking button. You need to click on it. And once I click on it, I will select a reason. Select any reason, it won't matter much. So I will choose change of treats and then click continue. So it will ask the confirmation. Again you need to click on cancel booking. And after a moment you will receive an email confirmation that your booking has been cancelled. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. And I will see you in the next one.